Now let's see how we can add some fog into our scene. Here, let's click on X, and we can go to Visual Effects, and here you can see atmospheric fog. So just pull it into our scene, and let's put it something like here. And this should add some effects to our scene, some fog in the distance. So let's increase this, and we can see that there is some kind of hazy effect in the distance, so we can increase this even more. So this kind of gives us that fog effect. We also have the sun multiplier, which gives us that higher atmosphere effect. And you can kind of play around with this, but I usually leave these settings on normal. But you also have the density, the fog, and everything else, and also the distance, how far this fog will actually work, and things like that. The next thing that we are going to add is exponential height fog, and that will give us even more effect at a bit closer distance.